Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making carrot cake without using an oven. And on your ingredients, you're going to need flour, you're going to need baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder and salt. I used a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of salt. Then you're going to need sugar. I'm using about half a cup of sugar, quarter cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup flour and grated carrots. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to sieve all your dry ingredients. So when you're baking a cake, make sure you sieve your dry ingredients. It's really important. So I added in quarter cup. So in total, I'm using 1 1/4 cup of flour. Then I'm adding in the other baking powder, baking soda and my cinnamon powder, and I'm going to sieve them together. Then I'm just mixing them in together. And over here I noticed my sugar had like black particles. I don't know what those were, but I'm just sieving it as well to just make it smooth. Then next I'm going to add in my vegetable oil. I used quarter cup and I'm just mixing just like that. Then I'm adding in my milk gradually as you mix. Then over here guys, I'm adding in my grated carrots, and I didn't use all of that. I just used like half a cup of grated carrots, and I'm going to mix it in together with the flour. So guys, when you're making, let's say, a fruit cake or like carrot cake, the batter needs to be a little bit thicker than the normal cakes. So this is how our batter is looking like. And over here guys, I'm going to heat up my sufuria. I just put it in really low heat and I'm going to let it heat for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to oil my tray just like that. Make sure you oil it really well so that your cake doesn't stick. And I'm adding in a bit of flour. And you're just going to make sure your flour is evenly distributed on your tray, just like this. Then next, I'm just going to put in my batter inside my tray, just like that. And over here guys, I'm going to put this lid at the bottom of the sufuria, like that. Then next, I'm going to put in now my cake inside, like that. And I'm going to cover it. Then guys, over here I put my pan on top because the pan is heavy and my lid is not that tight. Then this is the heat I'm using. It's really low so that the cake does not burn. You're going to leave it for 40 to like 50 minutes. And over here guys, it's about 50 minutes later, and as you can see, your cake is ready. So when it comes out clean, your cake is ready. And now I'm just going to wait for it to cool, then turn it. So guys, that's it, and our cake is ready. It's really easy using a gas, though it takes a bit of time compared to when you're using an oven, but it still works, and it's worth the try. So I hope you guys get to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't.